Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add GIFs to banners in Squarespace. Adding animated GIFs to banners is a great way to catch attention and make websites more dynamic. First, we open the browser. Once the browser is open, we go to squarespace.com. After we are redirected to the main page, we log into the account. After logging in, we click the mini profile and then go to the account dashboard. Once we are in the dashboard, we click to go to the website. When we are in the website, we select the website. We click this option and then go to Pages. We will edit the page so we can add a GIF as a banner. Click Edit. Let's take this as an example. Wait for it to load. Once we are on the page, click to add a section. We will create a banner and select a blank section. Wait for it to load. Now, at the top, click Adjust. Once we have Adjust, let's add a GIF. But before adding a GIF, we must first prepare a GIF. Here, we have prepared one and also copied the embed because we will paste the embed, not the show, not the URL. Once we have uploaded the embed or codes, either of these two, we can use the embed. Now, at the lower part, go to Embedded and wait for it to load. Once we have the embed URL, double-click and paste the embed here. Once it finishes searching and is successfully located, we transfer it here. When it finishes loading, we can now see the GIF. It is easy and simple to add a GIF on Squarespace. That's how we put a GIF in a Squarespace banner. With animation added, the site can feel more engaging and visually exciting.